Hi there, if you want to know that how to turn on or off Super HDR on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, then this video is for you. First you have to open settings. Now scroll down until you find advanced feature, and from here you have to scroll down a little and you'll find Super HDR mode. Here if you find this toggle button in blue, then that's mean Super HDR is already turned on your device, and if you tap on this toggle button once and it has turned into gray, that's mean the Super HDR mode is now turned off or disabled on your device. That's how you can just turn on or off the Super HDR on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. You just need to tap on it once to turn on and again tap on it to turn off the Super HDR. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.